Hey, this is Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE. I'm going to be adding another part to my change out videos on the old girl here, Fanny. Today I'm going to have some videos showing you that my fan clutch keeps spinning up my fan no matter what the temperature is on my truck for the coolant. And so I've narrowed it down to thinking that my temperature sensor for the coolant has gone out to lunch. So I'm going to take it back from lunch and I'm going to put it in the trash, and then I'm going to get a new one installed. So anywho, let's get this video rolling and roll tape. Alright, it's Don. I'm in the truck and my coolant temperature gauge has not been going up past halfway mark, and or the quarter mark, excuse me. And what it's alluding to is I got a coolant temperature sensor device has crapped the bed, because you can almost hear it, I think, I don't know, but my fan has been constantly going on and on and on, and it's running like a airplane on full mode or full speed mode. Like, so what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to do this quick little video that I believe my coolant temperature sensor, which I ordered a new one, I'm going to put it in, and hopefully the fan and the fan clutch will stop spinning up like crazy, and then I can get a proper reading on my coolant. All right, what I'm going to do is, the temperature sensor is underneath this plate, and it goes down and it works in conjunction with the thermostat. So I'm going to start with the sensor and then see how she runs, and if that's not what solves the problem, then I'll go after the thermostat. But I changed this thermostat just not but like 4 or 5 months ago, so I'm not thinking it's it. But the temperature sensor is right here. So let me set up, and then I'll show you how that gets pulled out and changed out, and I'll put a link to the new one in my description. All right, I got my 8mm here socket. Just gonna loosen this up, maybe. There we go. And get this one. All right. Should be a quick, simple change out here. But you can leave the screws in. You can see that this is slotted. So anyway, just pull that out, and the sensor is right there. Before you get started, you might want to put a pan underneath your truck. But put a pan under there to catch a little bit of fluid from your coolant reservoir. Just be sure you're ready for that. All right, let's get this started. All right, so let me get a tool to get that out of there. All right, this little plug right here, you just pull that, and then let me see. I'll use the new part to get a socket for it. All right, looks like it's a 3/4 inch. All I can find is my big ass wrench right now, so I'm gonna need a deep socket. Nope, there we go. free. Use a socket to get it taken out. You're gonna have coolant come out, and you're gonna drop all your tools down into your bumper. But that's the damaged one. And then here's the new one. I got that there. Now I'm just getting it snug, not going Superman on it. And there we go. Let's see. Yep, plug that in right there. Cool. And voila, that does it for the sensor. So I don't think I'm gonna change this thermostat just right now. I'm gonna give it a whirl and see if anything changes. That is a coolant sensor change out. Real simple. I'm gonna put that plate back on, but that's easy peasy. So a nice little 10-minute job. Y'all have a good day. This is Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE out.